Want a personal item that actually fits under every seat? Our video to the best underseat bags helps you skip fees, speed through boarding, and keep essentials at arm's length. We'll cover airline size limits, must-have features like quick access pockets, padded tech sleeves, water-resistant fabrics, and smooth rolling wheels, plus typical capacities and weights. You'll also get packing tips and real dimensions so you can choose a bag that slides in, stands up to travel, and keeps your trip organized. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the MiaoJie Underseat Carry On Luggage. If you want a budget-friendly personal item that fits strict airline rules and keeps you organized, the MiaoJie Underseat Carry On Luggage has you covered. At 16 by 8 by 11 inches, it slides comfortably under most seats and qualifies as a personal item on Spirit and Frontier, helping you avoid carry-on fees and boarding stress. You'll appreciate the build quality on every trip. The lightweight weekender uses high-quality Oxford cloth that's both waterproof and stain-resistant, paired with smooth zippers and a sturdy adjustable shoulder strap. It's designed to handle the bumps of buses, jet bridges, and quick weekend turnarounds without tearing or fraying. You also get space that works harder. With a 23-liter capacity, this compact tote holds your travel and daily essentials without feeling bulky. Use it as a gym bag, garment bag, personal bag, carry-on weekender, or overnight companion. It adapts to whatever the day demands. You stay sorted with 7 thoughtful pockets. 2 front compartments keep an air ticket and a 12-inch tablet within easy reach. Both sides include pockets for a water bottle or umbrella. Inside, the main compartment swallows 3 to 5 days of clothing and adds mesh pockets for small items like socks, cables, and toiletries. A backstrap pocket offers a secure spot for your phone or passport when you're moving through security. If you value airline-friendly sizing, durable materials, and grab-and-go organization at a reasonable price, this MiaoJie underseat bag delivers a cleaner, simpler way to travel. At number 4, EcoHub Underseat Travel Backpack. If you want an underseat backpack that streamlines packing, protects your tech, and meets strict airline rules, the EcoHub Underseat Travel Backpack delivers. It's sized to slide under most seats and works with carriers like Spirit, Frontier, and EasyJet, helping you avoid surprise fees and overhead bin scrambles. You'll pack faster with the 180-degree clamshell opening. The main compartment lays flat for easy loading, with 2 interior pockets for toiletries and socks, plus elastic straps that keep outfits from shifting. A dedicated AirTag pocket simplifies tracking, while side compression straps cinch the profile when you're traveling light. You'll also stay organized in transit. This 17-inch personal item backpack adds a small pocket for your power bank, 2 front pockets for an iPad, notebooks, and passports, and a top pocket for your phone and boarding passes. A high-elasticity bottle pocket keeps hydration handy without bulging into cabin space. Your laptop rides safer too. The rear compartment fits up to a 15.6-inch device with foam padding and a suspended hammock-style design that cushions against drops for 360-degree protection. 2 air mesh pockets stash your charger and mouse so cables don't tangle with clothes. If you value airline-friendly sizing, a smart internal layout, and tech-forward protection in a clean, travel-ready design, this EcoHub Underseat Backpack keeps you efficient from check-in to landing, and calmer through every connection. Number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Underseat Carry On Luggage. If you want a no-drama personal item that stays tidy, rolls smoothly, and looks professional, the Amazon Basics Underseat Carry On Luggage gets it right. You stay within tight airline limits thanks to a compact profile that slides under most seats or into overhead bins. When you're rolling with a larger suitcase, the rear sleeve slips over the telescoping handle so you can move as one stack and give your shoulders a break. You also stay organized without overpacking. Inside the main compartment, 4 zippered pockets keep chargers, toiletries, undergarments, and small accessories separated and easy to find. Up front, a quick access pocket adds 3 slots in a zip section for boarding passes, passports, pens, and cables, so you aren't digging at the gate. You move through terminals with less effort. 2 inline skate wheels track straight and handle bumps better than flimsy rollers, while the 4-point lift handle setup gives you secure grab options when lifting into a car trunk or overhead bin. The result is quieter, steadier maneuvering through crowded aisles and curbs. You look put together too. The clean, modern silhouette pairs with business or casual travel and doesn't call attention to itself at check-in. If you value compact versatility, smart interior organization, and effortless rolling in a sleek package, this underseat carry-on makes every short trip simpler. At number 2, Hanke Underseat Carry On Luggage. If you want an ultra-compact underseat carry-on that stays tidy, tough, and easy to handle, the Hanke Underseat Carry On Luggage fits your travel routine perfectly. You get a personal, item-friendly duffel that works for overnight trips, quick business hops, and carry-light adventures without sacrificing organization. You'll feel the durability in daily use. The bag is built from thick, tear-resistant fabric with meticulous stitching, smooth-running zippers, and robust metal buckles that stand up to gate checks and crowded cabins. You also stay organized on the move. 2 side pockets and 2 zippered front pockets give you fast access to essentials like passports, cables, or snacks. Inside, multiple compartments let you sort clothes, electronics, and toiletries logically, so you aren't digging for a charger when boarding starts. The bento-style layout makes it easy to see everything at a glance. You carry it your way. A back trolley sleeve slides over your rolling suitcase to take the load off your shoulders during long connections. When you're traveling light, the detachable strap lets you switch between shoulder, crossbody, and hand carry modes to match your pace. When the trip's over, you fold it flat to save space at home or in a hotel drawer. If you value a clean, compact, and adaptable underseat bag that keeps your essentials ready and your shoulders happy, this Hanke duffel delivers. And finally, the number 1 of our list, LUGGEX Underseat Carry On Luggage. If you want a compact roller that actually fits under the seat and still carries your day's essentials, the LUGGEX Underseat Carry On Luggage keeps your travel simple. You stay within most airline personal item limits, sliding it under the seat or overhead with less fuss. For the best experience, don't overpack the front pocket, and note that minor design tweaks may differ slightly from photos. You'll move faster with smart access. Front organizers keep boarding passes, pens, cables, and a power bank at your fingertips. Your 15.6-inch laptop rides in a padded compartment, while the main section holds a change of clothes and toiletries. Perfect for overnight trips, quick client visits, or weekend hops. You roll with less strain, too. The sturdy all-aluminum handle feels solid without adding bulk, and the rear trolley sleeve anchors the bag to your larger suitcase when you're hustling through connections. 2 silent inline wheels track smoothly down jet bridges and busy concourses, so you're not broadcasting every step with rattles and squeaks. You also get durability where it matters. A reinforced bottom resists scrapes and curb drops, and the lightweight build helps you stay agile from curb to cabin. If you value airline-friendly sizing, fast access, and a smoother glide in a tough, professional package, this LUGGEX underseat roller is ready for your next quick getaway. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which underseat bag you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.